What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now this video is really just about something that I've noticed throughout the last couple of weeks, and that would be USB Type-C. No, not USB Type-C, the port, but rather what people are saying about that port. Mainly tech YouTubers like myself, and how they're saying that every company should switch to that particular port and put it in every single electronic device.
Lightning cable, I think it's time to say goodbye to this connector and to bring Type-C to the iPhone.
And a lot of companies have. And for those companies that haven't yet made that switch, will probably do so in their next product line this year or the next year. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, and it's not surprising to me that so many people like USB Type-C because it can carry up to 100 watts of power and fully charged full-size electronics. And it can carry data at up to 10 gigabits per second, which is a super high data transfer rate. So you could run a 4K monitor off of it, or you could run a super fast SSD RAID into something off of this single port. So it's very fast and very powerful. And it's reversible, so you can plug it in the right way the first time, every time. But there is one company that I personally do not think will ever switch to USB Type-C, and that company is Apple. Now yes, I know you might be saying, oh well, they already switched to USB Type-C on their Macs, so why wouldn't they make that switch on their phones and iPads and all of that? Now, as you may know, Apple created the Lightning connector, which they have patented and put in all of their electronic devices. And since they've patented it, that means that they have all the rights to that port. That means that whenever a third-party company wants to make a product for an iPhone or an accessory, that means that they're going to be needing that Lightning port. Because since Apple products are so high in demand and make so much money, those other third-party companies also want a cut of the money. So those other companies using the Lightning port have to pay Apple royalties for using their port. But then if Apple just completely switched to USB Type-C, then they would totally lose all of that royalty money. So what I think Apple will do is just create a very similar port to USB Type-C and switch to that instead. So now they would have an even more powerful port in their devices, and they'd still be paid with royalties. So this isn't really based off of anything, and I can't really back it up with anything, but it's really just my opinion and what I personally think Apple will do. And I dare you to try to name all the YouTube channels in my thumbnail in the comment section. Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now make sure to stick around because I have a lot of awesome content coming out very soon that you will definitely not want to miss out on. And like always, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.